Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. This is actually afternoon time, and there is nobody here. I am in a concert hall, and it's Christmas Day. I just want to see when it's rainy and nobody. There's really nobody. So I want to do an outfit of the day and discover something that I usually do not see. Okay, now let's see. This is my outfit. And so today when I get out, I ask my family, where should I go? Said Stanford, Palo Alto. So I came to Palo Alto. And what clothes should I wear? Black. He said black. So it's mostly black. Let's take a look. Black. A little bit black. And this one is dark blue. And it's so easy, so comfortable. Take out outside. So it's a dress. It's a summer skirt. Maybe I should turn around them. Isn't it silly enough? Or more than silly? Okay, this way you can see the outline. This way. That's it. Bye-bye.